Hello students, welcome to our maths class. Unit 10, tenths and hundredths. In our previous video, I explained you about what is tenth and what is hundredth. We also did our textbook page number 134 and page number 135. By measuring the pencil, we learned that 1/10 of a centimeter is called 1 millimeter because in a centimeter there are 10 parts. How many parts there are? 10 parts are there. So that one part is called as millimeter. In short form we can write it as mm. So we have solved some sums related to that. Now today we will solve with the practice time which is there on page number 135. Now what is here? Length of the nail 2 centimeter and dash mm or 2 point dash centimeter. What we are supposed to write? See students, this nail is there. Okay, the start is measured from here, from 0, then 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and here it is not till 3. So we will count how many mm. 2 centimeter is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So it is how many mm? It is 9 mm. So what we will write? 2 centimeter and 9 mm. The answer is 2 centimeter 9 mm, isn't it? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So it is 2 centimeter and 9 mm. If there will be 1 mm more, then it would be 3 centimeter. So this I have written 2 centimeter and 9 mm. Both the things are different. We have written. Now if I want to write down this into centimeter, so I am supposed to use the decimal point. So how can I write then 2 is written 2 point how many mm? So 2.9 centimeter it is. How much the word is? So 2.9 centimeter there is. Understood student? Okay. Now let's go to the next page. See, here is a lady finger has been given and a scale is given here. The length of this lady finger means bindi is dash centimeter and dash mm. We can also write it as dash centimeter. In the both centimeter mm and in centimeter also we are supposed to write it as we have seen in previously. But students, can you see here? This scale is given, but the lady finger is starting from here. And whenever we are supposed to start or whenever we are supposed to measure, we are supposed to measure the thing from 0. Okay, so we are supposed to measure it once again. If from 0 I will keep it here. The scale I have kept here at 0. Okay, and it is somewhere we'll draw a line so that we can measure it exactly. From 0 to we can see it is till 3. Okay, so it is here, it comes at nearly at 3. Okay, so we have seen here it is somewhere 8 centimeter and 3 mm as I have measured it by a scale. Okay, now let's write down here. The length of this lady finger is 8 centimeter and how many mm? It was 3 mm. Okay, now we also we can also write it as, now they want to write it in the centimeter. So when we are supposed to write in centimeter, then we are supposed to use it the decimal. So how will we write that? We will write that 8.3 centimeter. It is 8.3 centimeter. Understood, students? And students, if we want to write down in mm, then what will we write? Yes, in previous video also I have told. See, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 mm. Therefore, 8.3 centimeter is equals to 8 is centimeter, isn't it? So 1 centimeter is 10 mm. So 8 centimeter is equals to, so 8 multiplied by 10. So what we will get? 8 multiplied by 10, it is 80 plus 3 is equals to 80 plus 3, it is 83 mm. Understood, students? This way we can convert the centimeter into mm. Okay, understood? This we have learned in our previous standards also. Now, our practice 3. What is there in question number 3? Let's see. Using the scale on this page, find the difference in length between candle 1 and candle 3. Now, first of all, we are supposed to measure it. Okay, candle 1 and candle 3. What is the measure of candle 1 and candle 3? Here they have also given the measurement of the flame also. Flame means this part and candle means this part. Let's bifurcate that. So if we measure candle 1 from here to here, candle 1 is of 6. I will write down the measurement. Candle 1 is of 6 centimeter, so that we will solve the exercise later. Okay, 6 centimeter. Candle 2 candle 2 is 4.9. 4.9. Candle 1 is it is 2.8. Okay, if you want to measure your textbook, students, you can measure your textbook also. Now the flame, exactly we will from the top to the wick we will measure this. Okay, the top to the wick. Now what is the flame measurement? From here approx we will see, students, to here it is 1.5. 1.5. Now let's see about this. It is also nearly 1.5. It is 1.6, not 5. 1.6. Then about this measurement, it is 1.3. Okay, so we have measured all the candles also, and we have measured this flame also. Now, using the scale of this page, find the difference in length between candle 1 and candle 3. Candle 1 and candle 3. Difference. Okay, what we are supposed to difference? Candle 1 and candle 3. Candle 3 is measurement of candle 3 is 6 centimeter and candle 1 was 2.8 centimeter. Now if you want to subtract this, then how will you subtract, students? 6.0 minus 2.8. from here we have borrowed 1, so 10 minus 8 2, 10 minus 8 2, here it is 5, 5 minus 2, how much? 5 minus 2 we can get 3, so the measure will be 3.2. so what is the difference here? How will get the difference? We will get the difference as equals to 3.2 centimeter. Okay, now let's continue here. Candle 1 length in centimeter and mm. So candle 1 centimeter is 2 centimeter 8 mm. Okay, length in centimeter 2.8 centimeter. Flame 1, this one. Okay, so what is the length in 1 centimeter and 3 mm. In length in centimeter, here you are supposed to use the point 1.3 centimeter. Okay, now candle 2. The candle 2 it is 4.9, 4 centimeter 9 mm. It is 4.9 centimeter. Flame 2. So now flame 2, this one 1.6, 1 centimeter and 6 mm. In centimeter it can be 1.6 centimeter. Okay, understood? Now candle number 3. Candle 3 is 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter only. Mm there is nothing. So you can write down 0 0 mm also, or you can write down only 6 centimeter. And here it will be 6.00 centimeter, or you can write like this also, or you can write 6 centimeter also. Both of them are correct. By describing this 0 0 we are also expressing that then 0 there is nothing. So we can write it as 6 also. Understood, students? Now flame 3. Flame 3 is 1 centimeter 5 mm. So here also 1.5 centimeter. Understood, students? This you are supposed to write down in your textbook only. You are not supposed to write anything in your notebook, because your notebooks are with the in the school for checking. So right now we will write down everything in the textbook only. Whatever is to be write down in the notebook, I will tell you that you can write down in your notebook afterwards. Understood, students? I hope you have understood the practice time which we have done today. Okay, thank you.